NFC West matchup here, guys. St. Louis Rams, San Francisco 49ers. Game means nothing. Let's be honest. The Rams already won their 7th game of the year, so that's all set. So here's the question.
Ha!
Who is playing quarterback for these two teams next year? I start with you, Chris Wessling.
Well, I think Blaine Gabbert probably for the 49ers.
Wow.
I don't think Colin Kaepernick will be back, and they'll probably have to draft a guy to pair with Blaine Gabbert. For the Rams, I don't think the quarterback for next year is on this roster. I think they'll have to go out and get a veteran or draft a rookie.
I couldn't agree more about the Rams. I mean, I think both of them are prime candidates to draft new quarterbacks, and it's TBD right now. Blaine Gabbert is going to be a long-term successful backup if he doesn't get more starts somewhere else, but I don't think you can go into the season saying Blaine Gabbert's the best we can do at this position and not draft someone. So it all comes down to what happens in the preseason.
He's tough to evaluate. He has not played as well the last few weeks, but the team around him is so lousy, you never know. As bad as that Nick Foles trade was, it's even worse because they guaranteed him all his money next year. So he's on that team next year. And I don't know if they can find someone to trade him to for $7 million.
Well, unless him and Dwayne Bowe take off on a sailboat
That would be interesting.
with their guaranteed cash.
You know what? I think Colin Kaepernick could still be in the picture for San Francisco.
Woo!
Because anybody that's going to get behind Blaine Gabbert based on a few good games, he's still Blaine Gabbert to me. To go into and say you're our starter next season, I feel like you could be throwing away another season. Kaepernick showed it once before. Maybe you take one more shot.
We don't even know if Jim Tomsula or the GM Trent Baalke is going to be there.
So much mystery, so exciting.
Check out the Around the NFL podcast 3 times a week.